Epic Travelers, it's Kat with Epic Vacation Planning. I'm here at the Beach Club Resort at Walt Disney World, Orlando, here to show you a quick room tour. Let's go check it out. So we're staying in a standard 2-queen room here at the Beach Club Resort. When you first walk into the room here, you can see that there's a nice little coffee station. And under here is actually going to be where the refrigerator is to store any drinks, any cool snacks, leftovers, things like that. It's a pretty decent size. We typically fill this up with all sorts of goodies. We got another little drawer here with some storage space. As we come on in, straight to the left is going to be the bathroom. This double vanity is awesome, extra space. We're going to be here with all 3 of our kiddos this weekend. I tend to overpack, as you know, so there's lots of under vanity storage, which I am a huge fan of, to put all of the travel kind of bags and things that toiletries are packed in. There's also a nice ledge here, which is awesome for putting toothbrushes, toothpaste, cologne, perfume, deodorant. Kind of keeps it out of the way. There is both a tub and a shower here. Some in-shower storage space, which is nice. I love this shower curtain, giving you that awesome beachy vibe with some dolphins and some turtles. There's a nice full-size, full-length mirror. Check out your outfit of the day. Straight across from the bathroom is a closet. This is going to have your extra linens in it. There's an ironing board and an iron in case you need it. And then of course, as most Disney rooms have, the safe is going to be inside of the closet as well. This is a great place to store luggage, to store shoes, whatever you need to. And as we come into the main part of the room, we've got a nice little bench here. That'll be a great spot for some tiny little kid shoes. We've got a little dresser here with 3 drawers on each side, 2 smaller drawers and little cabinets. Take a peek in here. Matt always loves to unpack as soon as we get on vacation. All the kiddos usually get their own drawer, as do we. So dressers are a big plus for us. This will be great for us as well since we're staying as a family of 5. It's not a full size pull-out couch as you would expect. You have the directions here, but it's a nice little sleeper sofa that one of our kiddos can sleep in. Probably our oldest. He likes to have his own personal space. I love the Mickey towels, always such a cute touch. As you can see, they are ready for us to be here. Everything has switched over to the Disney 100. The 50th is out, 100 is in. Got a little desk area, perfect to put some more of your things, a good place for kiddos to eat if you're doing breakfast or dinner in the room. And then this, I think, is my favorite part about this entire room. Look at this view. If you've stayed at Beach Club before, you know that Beach Club Yacht Club Pool is, I mean, unbeatable. Got a lazy river down there, pool. You can't really see the water slide from here, but they've got 2 different ones. That big pirate ship over there is a water slide as well, and then they've got a little bit bigger water slide. There's an up top deck for sunning. There's a sandy area over there for the kiddos. As you can see, all of these rooms up here have nice little balconies. So cute, I love it. We're having our pool day tomorrow, so I can't wait.